Welcome to Renaissance, where we bridge theory or proven theory with everyday practice. Today, we're exploring one of the most misunderstood yet most transformative techniques in modern teaching: cold call. Now, let's be clear: cold call isn't about catching students out. It's not about pressure, punishment, or putting someone on the spot. It's about equity. It's about thinking culture. It's about holding every learner in the room to the same intellectual expectations. When students know they might be asked, calmly, predictably, respectfully, they stay mentally present. Their brains remain switched on. They rehearse answers internally. They think more deeply. They participate even before they speak. It's not a behavior system, it's a cognitive system. Cold call turns a classroom from a place of where a few confident voices dominate into a place where every voice matters. The cognitive scientist Daniel Willingham once said, "Memory is the residue of thought. If only a handful of students think deeply, only a handful remember deeply." Cold call changes that. And here's what makes the Renaissance approach different: predictable, not punitive. Students know it's coming. It's part of the culture. No surprises, no gotcha moments, just open, inclusive questioning. Warm tone, clear delivery. We never interrogate, we invite. Everyone is in the game. Hands up is optional, engagement is not. Scaffold only when necessary. If a student struggles, we don't abandon them. We support them, we prompt them, we guide them. And always followed with gratitude. A simple "thank you, well done" affirms effort, not perfection. Cold call is powerful because it restores the balance. It shifts the classroom from a spectator sport to a shared intellectual journey. When done right, it builds confidence, not fear. It builds routine, not anxiety. It builds thinking, not silence. Students learn that their voice has value. They learn that thinking is a habit, not a performance. They learn that participation is the new normal. Cold call isn't about calling on a student, it's about calling on potential. It's about lifting the room one question at a time. And when every student knows that thinking is required, the standard of learning rises for all. That's the Renaissance method: high expectations, high humanity, and high engagement in every classroom. Thank you.